Number 9, we want to graph the system of inequalities. So the way we do this is we just do them one at a time and then see where they overlap. So for example here, first we need it in slope-intercept form. So it'd be best if we can do that. And one way I could do this is get the y by itself by moving the 2 over to this side. And so I'll have negative 3/4 x plus 2 is less than y. Right? So y is greater than negative 3/4 x plus 2. So if you need to, go ahead and just flip it around. Make sure you flip the inequality with it. So y is greater than negative 3/4 x plus 2. So how do we graph that? Well, let's start by graphing the line, which is going to be dotted because there's no equal to part on the bottom. So we're going to have a y-intercept of 2, and the slope goes down 3 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we see it's this downward line that shows up on all of them. It's the negative slope line. Now I want to shade the side that is greater than negative 3 over 4x plus 2. So greater than, that just means the top side. So the y is the top side. So I like to look at the y-axis and see if the y is pointing upwards there. So this side of the line that side of the line, so everything on that side is where I want to shade. So I'll do this in red. So everything is where I want to shade. Ignore that other line. And now I can look at the other one. Let's get that y by itself. And so how am I going to do that? Is I'm going to move the x to the other side. I'll do this one in blue. And it becomes 5y is greater than positive 3x plus 10. And then dividing by 5 gives us our y by itself. Y is going to be greater than 3 over 5x, and then plus 10 over 5 is 2. So again, this one has a y-intercept. Whoops. This one has a y-intercept of 2 again. So that's why they both have a y-intercept of 2. But this time the slope is positive, so that's the other line. It's going up 3, right 5. And so we get that line there. Now y is greater than again, so this, ignoring everything we graphed earlier, look at the greater than side, which is the top of the y-axis. And that's the side of the line I want to shade. So everything on that side of the line, I want to shade. And then I go back and look and see, can I figure out where are the solutions to both? So the solutions to one line are the blue. The solutions to the other line that are the red. The solutions to the entire system are where it's blue and red. So all this area right here is where they overlap. So that's what I care about. That's our answer. And we see this overlaps with the gray that's already shaded for us. So that must be A is our answer.